Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to have a look at a new feature called Rehearse with Coach. You can see it there. So basically what's going to happen is you rehearse your PowerPoint presentation, and then this feature will give you feedback on how well or poor you did. So to activate it, you need to go on the slideshow tab there, and then you just click that. And then it goes into full screen, and you have this box at the bottom to start rehearsing. So I've just got a 3-slide presentation that I'm going to rehearse. So I'll click on this, and now it's listening to what I say. So the course topics are basic formatting, document layout options, table and bookmarks and hyperlinks, mail merge, referencing, track changes and review, forms, charts and diagrams, and finally macros. I'll just click on to the next slide. This is the last slide. In basic formatting, you will see that we can change the color of the font, the style of the font, and the size of the font. We will also look at tabs, left tab, right tab, center tab, and decimal tab, and then finally we'll finish. So that's just finished recording what I did. I pressed escape there. That was on automatic click over, that's why it went without me clicking. But here's what you get on your rehearsal report, and you can do this as many times as you want. So this is a summary. Total time spent, good job. No fillers, so I didn't keep saying or so. I do say so a lot in my videos, but I didn't say that once in this one. No sensitive phrases, and the pace over time was similar, and then that's telling me I did that well as well. And then you've got you avoided reading slide text aloud. That's good for keeping the audience engaged. Well, I did read the content slide, but the other slide I was explaining it. So this is a new feature in Office 365, and you've got some feedback options there. But I just wanted to show you that it's quite intuitive, and I can go in as many times as I want. When you're nervous, you do tend to repeat yourself a lot, and you do tend to put in silly words like and then okay a lot. People say okay a lot, and then for everybody listening to that, they only listen to the word okay. He said okay again. I said okay again, and it gets very irritated. So this is quite a cool little tool. But that's all I wanted to show you for this one. Thank you for your time.